Welcome to another Lean Daily Motivation. Guys, what is up? Man, I'm gonna start laughing from that intro, but hopefully you liked it. Anyways, so you gotta forget your feelings, man. You gotta forget that shit. And you gotta remember that your life, your better life, is on the opposite side of the slight discomfort you're gonna get from starting. Okay? Listen, man, it is just a slight discomfort. This is one of those things that once you start seeing the improvement, seeing the results, even if it's just a few pounds, no matter where you're starting, you're going to get motivated. And you're going to be like, you know what? I got this. I know because I've seen it, going from 35 pounds heavier than I am now about a year ago. This time, I was sitting in this exact place, 35 pounds heavier. Now I'm at the point where I feel fucking great. Maybe there's like a few last pounds I want to lose, but I'm chilling, right? I'm happy where I'm at. I'm at the point where I am lean. I have vascularity in my arms and everything, and a lot of good stuff, and V-taper, whatever. Am I ripped? Not yet, but hey, guess what? I've done the work, and I'm benefiting from the results. Of course, there's the levels to this shit, right? A guy who's walking on the street who's got fucking 8-pack, he's gonna get more positive attention, this and that, and compliments, whatever. But you don't have to get to that point to even feel the beginning benefits of being lean, right? Just 10 pounds where you're at, from where you're at right now, is enough to be like a whole different lifestyle, right? So forget how the fuck you feel right now in the moment. Because the biggest thing, I've said this on a few of my videos, and you should be subscribing and watching the videos daily like everyone else is that it's like a nosedive, right? No matter where you're at, you're a plane nosediving towards the ground. And at first, it's going to take a little bit of effort and pull up out of that fucking nosedive, and now you're soaring towards a bigger, better life. Well, actually smaller, because you'll be weighing less. But you know what I'm saying? You'll be smaller as a person in terms of body fat. You'll look bigger. You'll look more muscular. That's the crazy thing. You look more muscular when you're less body fat. So while you're doing that, what the fuck was I saying? Sorry, I kind of zoned out for a second. I thought something randomly popped in my head. But anyways, guys, fuck your initial discomfort. Fuck that shit. It's just temporary, man. That is just the devil in your fucking mind preventing you from living a better life. Just like it's the same devil in your mind that every time you see an attractive person, that instead of going up and talking to them, that devil is like, oh no, what are you gonna say? Oh no, what? I think they're busy. Oh, do they have headphones on? Oh, she probably has a boyfriend. Oh, this, that. Guess what? The devil doesn't want to see you fucking lean. I'm gonna make a video of that title. How about that? But the devil doesn't want to see you lean. Your insecurities doesn't want to see you lean. The fucking people who doubt you do not want to see you lean. Your ex-girlfriend does not want to see you lean. Fuck, even your family probably doesn't want to see you lean. Bro, so many people are not going to want to see you lean. You know why? It's just going to make them feel bad about themselves. They're going to feel like a lesser version, right? So that's why when you start getting lean, people are going to be like, oh, you don't need to be losing more weight. You don't need to be a fuck, just stay right here. Just, don't lose any more weight. Bro, I had someone tell that to me when I was like 10 pounds heavier from where I am right now. And guess what, man? They're fucking wrong. They don't know, bro. Like, of course, be healthy and chase being healthy above everything else. But being an athlete, being athletic, having a low body fat percentage is fucking healthy. Okay? What's better, that or being fat or being chubby? No, it's being lean. Lean is law. Lean is the way you're gonna have the best life ever. Lean is the way you're gonna have the most respect for yourself. Lean is the way you're gonna have people giving you respect easily, right? Today, I was in the fucking sauna, actually. I was in the sauna, right? Two guys walked in. Both are like 6'3", whatever. Fat, okay? Instantly, I was like, oh, I'm like 5'9", 5'10", whatever. 5'9" and a half. I don't even know what the fuck. I don't measure that shit. Somewhere around there. So obviously, I'm not the tallest guy in the world. But anyways, it's one of those things where those guys walked in. Instantly, I was like, what the fuck, bro? Like, you're fat, dog. Instantly in my head. And it's not because I was like trying to feel better about myself. It was more of kind of like you're just kind of naturally as a guy, almost sizing everyone up. Not like just so like it's something in your deep lizard brain, right? We're almost kind of like, like respect wise, right? So instantly I was like, I don't fucking respect these guys. You know, they're tall us dudes, but they're fucking fat. But a guy walked in, I was like 5'7". I'm taller than him, but he was fucking lean. This guy was fucking. He's got a good physique on. He's got muscle too. So instantly I was like, damn, I have respect for this guy. And it's crazy how in the moment, man, and just even also how these guys were all talking, because they were all talking in the sauna about like jiu-jitsu and stuff. And I don't do jiu-jitsu, so I couldn't really add it to the conversation. But I was listening, and you know, they're all talking, and then just the way that guy commanded respect more, the lean shorter guy versus the two guys who were fat and fucking 6'3", 6'4", or 6'2", whatever. They were tall guys. So that's the thing. It's your fucking mission. It's in your blood. Your fucking your deepest desires of your bloodline for you to get lean and for you to lock the fuck in and say fuck your feelings and do what it takes to get lean, lose the body fat, build some muscle. All right, you don't have to be fucking big and bulky. Just focus on getting lean. Of course, if you're some dude who's a fucking twig, build some muscle. Yeah, and you could probably, you know, if you're not working out, you can do both at the same time. But most guys, you know, that's not our problem. Most guys, your problem is that you got too much body fat on you, okay? And by locking in, getting lean, you're going to live a dramatically different life than the life you are living now. And I'm proof of it, man. I'm someone, like I said, a year ago, I was 35 pounds heavier. Looking at photos from a year ago. Look at my thumbnails from a year ago, guys. Because I was making videos out back then about other shit. Bro, it's puffy in the face. Dude, embarrassing. It's embarrassing to fucking, like, even look at those fucking thumbnails now. But, hey, it is what it is, right? Use me as an example. Guys, I have been lean. I've been out of shape a few times in my life. And a year ago, I decided, you know what? Fuck this shit. I'm not going to yo-yo anymore. Not that I yo-yo quite a bit. I was mostly like fat, you know, or not chubby, you know, but kind of like, I don't know, skinny fat. I don't know, something like that. Whatever you want to call it. But, tell you, man, you will live a dramatically better life, okay? Your bloodline is going to thank you. Your ancestors are going to be in the graves like, thank you. Thank you, yes. Yes, you fucking warrior, conquer. Yeah, you know, all this shit, man. Your ancestors didn't fucking go to war, conquer shit, fucking fight people, fucking with a sword and a knife and a spear and shit like that, hand fight people, all this crap for you to be some fat fucking slob. Fuck no, dude. They need you to be, and your future fucking bloodline, your kids and your kids' kids and your kids' kids' kids need you to be the fucking example, okay? Because if you're not, why would they be lean? Why would they be in shape if fucking dad wasn't, right? What the fuck? Unless, don't be the reason why they look at you like, oh, I don't want to be like that. Fuck that. You know? Don't let that fucking happen, man. And if you have kids right now, you are overweight, lock in, man. Be the fucking example. Like, hey, man, you can do what the fuck you want to do in life. You can lock in and chase your goals, chase your dreams. You're never too late, right? Imagine that message you're going to send to your son or daughter or whatever. Imagine that. So, anyways, guys, all I got for now. Fuck your feelings. Just get lean, and life is going to get way better. Okay? Anyways, subscribe for more daily lean motivational videos. Peace.